What's up, traders? Welcome back to the new Money Wave FX group channel. My name is Fiso Anasi, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is episode 9 of me trading my 2.5k one-step challenge in order for me to secure 100k in funding with Net Equity Edge. So this is episode 9, guys. I don't want to waste time. Let's get straight to the charts. Yes, sir. So guys, I'm currently doing a voiceover, so I want to show you guys my S&P 500, my analysis. So I've just decided to mark my buy side and sell side liquidity. I'm just waiting either of them to be second out. I'm waiting for buy side or sell side liquidity to be swept so that they can have a clear structure, clear setup. So with Nasdaq, I'm just gonna mark the same as I marked on my S&P 500. So let me just find my tools. I'm gonna be marking my 2 a.m. Yes, 2 a.m. Then I will be marking my 7 o'clock candle also right now. Let me just get over to yes, 7 o'clock. So my daily buys are bullish currently today. So I'm looking for buyers in the markets for today. So let me just mark my 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Yes, sir. 11 o'clock. 11 a.m. 11 o'clock. Not 11:05. Yes, sir. 11 o'clock. Let me do this blue. Yes, sir. 11 o'clock. Yeah, that's 11 o'clock. So let me just buy my buy side and sell side liquidity for real quick. Buy side liquidity. Yes, sir. Buy side. Yeah. And then I will be marking this recent low as buy sell side liquidity. So I'm either waiting for it to be swept or I'm waiting for buy side liquidity to be swept, depending what price does. If price doesn't give us now during London session, then I will definitely have to see the markets during NY session, which is New York session. So for now, this is what I have. I don't want to waste time like that, but I want us to get straight to the point, man. It's time for us to be funded, man. See you guys later. So guys, I just want to show you something. I see that my strategy has been met currently now because of we have a very shorter block over here and price took out this previous high. Price took out this previous high, so you guys can see this previous high, and price took out this low, which makes this a bearish market structure shift. So now price will come to this fair value gap over here. So that's where I will be setting my reminders, so that I go short today. Let me just do this clear because of I might really enter. I am going to be entering this, So let me do this. Sinus is killing me, man. That's why I'm talking when I'm talking, it's like I'm talking with my noses. Sinus is killing me. So SS, my network is also slow. FEG. So now I see we have very shorter block. We have a bearish market structure shift because price took out what? A low. Took out this low. So when it's like this, I'll take this and take my fib tool from this low of this candle then to the third low of the candle that started the fair value gap. I want you guys to see what I'm seeing. So price met the 23% and the 38% golden zone of our entry points when it comes to this fib tool. So I'm gonna take my position tool, my short position tool, and place it over here. Then my stop loss, my TP. Then my stop loss just below the third candle that started the fair value gap and the order block. You see, but possibilities of us selling high is very much higher. Possibilities of us selling until this level is very much possible. But I don't want to take how the market should move. I'm gonna just let the market do its thing, Let me show you guys the previous high I was talking about. This high. Do you see that this high got swept by a side? Let me make it small. Settings, calm down, man. So guys, I know that I told you guys good. See, I'm looking for buys today, but as you guys can see, Nani price fails to cross this resistance over here, so it gave us a double top 1 and top 2. So since it gave us this double top, I think price might come and try to retrace a bit the support, properly, or it might come and grab some liquidity and shoot up, or it might come grab these liquidities. But for now, we might be bearish. So before I go set my orders, like my reminders properly, we are kind of bearish, short-term bearish. This is not a long-term bears, this is a short-term bears that I'm seeing, So what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna take this and put it like this, also with a third candle that started the fair value gap, remember it. So I'll take my fib tool and do it like this and set my orders. $7 to gain how many? I think I'm gonna increase my lot size for this one. Since it's $7, let me say 90. Yes, sir. I need $75 today. Done. I'll see you guys once our reminders are hit. Guys, the market spiked up, so we might hit SL. The market spiked up when it comes to S&P 500. So with us on Nasdaq, we might hit SL because Nasdaq follows the S&P 500. Do you see this spike up that I see? Do you see how crazy is the spike up that we see on S&P 500? So the Nasdaq just might spike up like crazy, but let's wait and see what Nasdaq does, man. I'm not gonna touch my SL. I'm not gonna move anything. I'm not gonna touch my trade. I'm just gonna let SL hit. If SL hits, then we're done for today. We'll see the markets tomorrow. But if we hit TP today, my nigga, it's more than good for me, So, but yeah, man, as you guys can see, order block identified, bearish order block identified, FEG identified, 23% entry point identified when it comes to the FEG, man. Bearish market structure shift, everything was identified when it comes to my strategy. So the plan is to let price be, let the market do its thing. I'll come back to you once we hit TP or SL. Nothing else, like nothing less, nothing more. We're just gonna let the market do its thing. See you guys, man. So guys, as I told you guys, we hit SL. I'm not gonna touch nor do anything to my setups. So we just hit SL and it's fine. We're done for the day. See you guys tomorrow. Yes, sir. So guys, first day back in with a challenge, already hit a loss. Man, we live and we learn. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Shit. See ya.